Hi, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today we're at the cottage making a delicious corn chowder with sweet potatoes and coconut milk. So the first thing that we have to do for the corn chowder is in a large saucepan, you have to melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, 1 the vegan butter has melted, I'm going to add 1 chopped red pepper, celery, 3 stalks chopped, and I took 4 green onions, and what I did is I cut them so that I've separated the white part, the white root part, from the green tips. The green tips will be added at the end, and right now I'm adding the white part. And we're just going to let that cook until the vegetables soften. Okay, so the vegetables have been cooking for close to 10 minutes and they're mostly softened. I've been stirring occasionally. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 chopped yellow potato, peeled, and I chopped it into 1/2-inch pieces. 2 chopped peeled sweet potatoes, again, chopped into 1/2-inch pieces. I'm going to add 4 cups.
It's starting to rain.
So I'm adding 4 cups of water. And that will be for 4 cups of broth, vegetable broth, because now I'm adding 1 vegetable bouillon cube, 1.5 vegetable bouillon cubes to the 4 cups of water, so that equals 4 cups of broth. And I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 bay leaf. And I'm going to bring that to a boil. Once it boils, I'm going to turn it down to simmer and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. That's not actually all I'm doing. I forgot the main part. I'm adding 2 cups of fresh corn. What I did is I had 4 cobs, and I took a knife and I cut the kernels off of the cobs. Now you can always use frozen corn. It'll be a lot faster, a lot easier, but fresh just tastes so much better, and it's August and fresh corn is in season. So I'm putting 2 cups of the kernels into the pot. And the rest of it is going to be put into a blender and pureed with a can of coconut milk. The chowder's been cooking and the potatoes are just about soft. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to puree the rest of the corn in a blender. It seems like it's more than 2 cups, but that's okay. They were large ears of corn. Okay, now I'm going to pour in a can of coconut milk into the blender.
A whole can?
A whole can of full fat coconut milk. And here comes the rain again. I was just about to break out in song, but I decided against it.
Like a memory?
Yeah, falling on my head like a memory. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it up with the very loud Vitamix. So the rest of the corn and the coconut milk have been pureed. And now I'm going to add it to the rest of the chowder. I'm just going to let that cook for about another 5 minutes until the chowder begins to thicken up. All right, we're just going to mix it all together. There, and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So the chowder has thickened up. I'm going to now remove the bay leaf. And I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. And now I'm going to take a hand blender and I'm just going to blend it up until the chowder is semi-pureed. So now I'm going to add the chopped green onion tops to the chowder.
There's a squirrel going crazy behind you.
And now serve it up. It looks good and it smells really good. This is a delicious, delicious corn chowder with sweet potatoes. Perfect for the summer, and in the winter, just use frozen corn. The thing is, if you use the frozen corn, then don't cook the 2 cups of corn with the rest of the soup at the beginning. Add all of the corn at the end.
Okay, so
all right, let's try
corn
this.
chowder taste test. Not for doggies.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It is
so
really good. Yes, it is. It's really good.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Really good.
It is really amazing.
Yeah. I'd say,
Down here.
what would I say? Rockstar quality.
Rockstar quality.
Rockstar quality. Excellent, excellent corn chowder with sweet potatoes and coconut milk. I hope that you guys give this recipe a try. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click on the little bell for future recipes. Thanks.
Would you? Oh, yuck.